Mario. Oh my god, you sound bad, Luigi. You sound like you're sick. I know, I can't clear my throat. Bruh. Okay, then I'll have to help you. Oh, okay, ready? Yeah, sure. Just, go over there. Ow, ah! Oh my god, Mario! Ah! I gotta save the day! Mamma mia, should I come? Come on, Luigi! Mario! No! Mario! Sorry! Luigi! Do you want your cough out or not? Yes, I want my cough out! Mario! Quit doing it!